Oh, sunrise in hell. Doesn't seem to be catching the browns and reds in the air. Oh, I don't feel... Our pool guy's gonna earn his money this time. Pogo, you survived the windstorm. Hi, buddy. Oh, your feathers. Ooh. Hi, Pogo. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, buddy. I felt so bad leaving you last time. Ooh. Hi, Pogo. About an hour later, Hanky and them have made their way all the way from about 4 blocks to the west, just down the street from my mom's house. We haven't seen them down here forever. This old oak tree. This is right next to where the 9 chicks were sleeping for the longest time. Y'all here to do a tree inspection? Huh? What's in there? Looks like the guy is a little tender on one of his feet. Oh yeah, that is the other little limping one. And these peas look dejected and exhausted. There was more here earlier.